If you're over 60 and your eyesight isn't what it used to be, listen up. Because a new study just revealed that a specific kind of chocolate, yes, chocolate, might actually help restore and protect your vision. And no, it's not the kind that you'd find in a candy bar. Hi, I'm Matthew Sharp, and I've spent years speaking to doctors, nutritionists, and researchers about how we age and what we can do to stay sharp. And today, I want to share one of the most surprising things I've ever heard from a top eye doctor. Now, the right kind of chocolate might help your eyes work better. It sounded too good to be true until I saw the research. Now, I want you to meet Eleanor. She's 74, she plays bridge, she loves her crossword puzzles, and, well, she never misses her nightly news. But lately, she noticed something strange. She told me that she had to start squinting at the screen. She said she couldn't read the newspaper without turning on every lamp in the house, and everyone's face looked like it was under a fog. She had her eyes checked, no cataracts, no need for surgery, just the kind of slow decline many people accept as normal aging. But Eleanor didn't just want to accept it, so she tried something different. At the suggestion of her nutritionist, she started eating 1 square of dark chocolate every evening after dinner. Nothing fancy, no expensive pills, just 1 square, 1 habit. And a few weeks later, she said, "I feel like someone turned the contrast up on life." So, what's actually going on here? In 2018, a study published in JAMA Ophthalmology, one of the most respected eye health journals, tested this very idea. They gave participants a bar of dark chocolate. Not sugary milk chocolate, we'll talk about it in a second, but rich, high cocoa dark chocolate. Then, just 2 hours later, they tested her vision. Guess what? Their contrast sensitivity improved, their visual clarity sharpened, and their ability to detect fine details got better. It wasn't a miracle, it was flavanols. Now, flavanols are natural compounds that are found in plants, especially in cocoa beans. Don't worry, we're not going to get too complicated or confusing. I'm going to keep this simple. But think of them like little repairmen. They go into your bloodstream and help widen tiny blood vessels. That means better circulation, especially to the retina, the part of your eye that detects lights, shapes, and color. Now imagine your eyes as like a little garden hose. As you age, that hose narrows. Less water, less pressure, less flow, but flavanols gently widen it back out, allowing more blood and oxygen to nourish your eye tissues. And that can help bring back some of that lost clarity. Now, here's the important part. This isn't an excuse to go ahead and grab a candy bar and call it medicine. Milk chocolate, white chocolate, chocolate with caramel and nougat, yeah, that's not the kind that helps. You want dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa or cocoa. Low sugar, no added fillers. If the first ingredient you see is sugar, put it right back. You're looking for the kind that makes your tongue curl a little bit. Bitter is better. The darker the chocolate, the more flavanols it contains, and that's what you're really after. Now, here's how I recommend you try it. 1 small square of dark chocolate, about the size of a postage stamp, after lunch or dinner, and pair it with a mindful moment, maybe a tea, some walking, or your favorite show. Make this a daily ritual, something you actually look forward to. Don't overdo it. More doesn't always mean better. 1 square is absolutely plenty, just enough to do its job without spiking blood sugar or adding unwanted calories. You'll be absolutely amazed at how this tiny habit can add a little bit more brightness to your day. Now, let me introduce Charles. He's 81, he used to work as a mechanic, and he still loves fixing up old lawnmowers in his shed. But he started having trouble seeing small parts, especially under dim light. A friend told him about the chocolate trick, And he obviously laughed and said, "What? What's next? Candy for arthritis?" But he gave it a shot. And 6 weeks in, he told me, "I don't know if I'm imagining it, but I swear I'm finding screws I used to drop and give up on." That's the thing. Small improvements in vision can lead to big improvements in independence. Now, let's be honest. This won't cure eye disease. It's not a substitute for glasses or an excuse to skip checkups. But if you're dealing with normal age-related changes in vision, that slow, frustrating blur, this could be a simple tool in your toolbox. Just don't go overboard. Too much chocolate means too much sugar, and that harms your blood vessels instead of helping them. So stick with small, smart, and consistent. Think of it like cleaning a foggy window. One square of dark chocolate a day won't give you brand new eyes, but it might help wipe away a little of the haze, just enough to see the smile on your grandkid's face more clearly, or enjoy the book you've read 10 times like it's brand new. Just try it for 30 days, track how your eyes feel, and if you notice even a tiny difference, that's your body saying thank you. And if not, hey, at least you got to enjoy a little bit of chocolate every day. And don't forget, in the next video, I'm sharing one fruit that might even be more powerful than chocolate when it comes to boosting circulation and protecting your eyes after 60. Hint, it's not blueberries. So hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you there. Thanks, folks. Have a good day.